Get ready. Five, four, three, two, one.
Start. Thus, it is not only when there is a benchmark, but in all cases that an entry bracket, whether it is poor, fair, average, good, or very good bracket close, must be communicated to a public servant. Otherwise, there is violation of the principle of fairness, which is the soul of natural justice. Even as outstanding entries should be communicated, since that would boost the morale of employee and make him work harder. Learned counsel for the respondent has relied on the decision of this court in UP Jal Nigam versus Prabhat Chand Jain AIR 1996 SC 1661. We have persuaded the said decision, which is cryptic and does not go into details. Moreover, it has not noticed that constitution benchmark of this court in Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India bracket Supra, which has held the that all state action must be non-arbitrary, otherwise Article 14 of the Constitution will be violated. In all opinion, that decision in UP Jal Nigam bracket Supra cannot be said to have laid down any legal principle that entries need not be communicated, as observed in Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited versus N.R. Varamani AIR 2004 SC 4778. Observations of court are neither to be read as illicit theorem nor as provisions of the status, and that too taken out of their context. In UP Jal Nigam's case bracket Supra, there is only a straight observation. If the guided entry is of going on a step down, like failing from very good to good, that may not ordinarily be an adverse entry, since both are a positive grading. There is no discussion about the question whether such good grading can also have serious adverse consequences, as it may virtually eliminate the chance of promotion of the incumbent if there is a benchmark requiring very good entry. And even when there is no benchmark, such downgrading can have serious adverse effect on an incumbent's chance of promotion, whether comparative merit of several candidates is considered. Learned counsel for the respondent also relied upon the decision of this court in Union of India, another versus S.K. Goyal and others, AIR 2007 SC 1199, and on the strength of the same submitted that only an adverse entry need be communicated to the incumbent. The aforesaid decision is a two bench judge decision and hence cannot prevail over the seven judge constitution bench decision of this court in Menka Gandhi versus Union of India bracket Supra, in which it has been held that arbitrariness violates Article 14 of the Constitution. Since the aforesaid decision in Union of India versus S.K. Goyal bracket Supra has not considered the aforesaid Constitution bench decision in Menka Gandhi's case bracket Supra, it cannot be said to have laid down the correct law. Moreover, this decision also cannot be treated as a elucid formula, since there is no detailed discussion in it about the adverse consequences of non-communication of the entry and the consequential denial of making a representation against it. it may be mentioned that communication of entries and given communication of represent against them is particularly important on higher posts which are in paramedical structure where often the principle of elimination is followed in selection for promotion, and even a single entry can destroy the career of an officer which has otherwise been outstanding throughout. This often results in grave injustice and heart burning and may shatter the morale of many good officers who have superseded due to this arbitrariness, while officers of inferior merit may be promoted. In the present case, the action of the respondents in not communicating the good entry for the year 1993-94 of to the appellant is in our opinion arbitrary and violative of natural justice because it substance the good entry operates as an adverse entry bracket for the reason given above bracket close. What is natural justice? The rules of natural justice are not codified nor they unvarying in all situations. Rather, they are flexible. They may, however, be summarized in one word fairness. In other words, what are required in is fairness by the authority concerned. Of course, what is fair would depend on the situation and the context. Stop.